Hi, let's talk a little bit about your classwork page in Google Classroom because I think some people are still a little confused about what they need to do and how they need to do it and when they need to give it to me. So when you're in your classwork page, there's a lot of information here, okay? And as the weeks go on, there will be more and more information. And sometimes that can be very confusing. However, there are ways for you to help you. The first thing to remember is if you see a gray circle, this is not homework. This is information that you need to look at, but you don't need to hand it in. If you see a green circle like this is something that you have to do some work on and hand it in, okay? You can see the day that I set it, all right, which will be Friday. And there are colored hearts to help you. So a red heart with the star is for Fridays. An orange heart is for Thursdays. Yellow is for Wednesday. Green is for Tuesday. And we also have blue ones for Monday. And that will be the same color for every week. You can also see on the assignments that we have a category. So this assignment is for grammar and writing and will be part of your grade for grammar and writing. Down here, this assignment is for vocabulary and reading and will be part of your grade for that. Listening and speaking is right here, and so this dictation will be part of your grade for listening and speaking. Okay. Over here, it says due January 14, 4 p.m. This means that you must have this work complete and submitted or handed in to Google Classroom by this time. If you don't do it by this time, it will be late and you will lose 25% of your grade. Okay? And you cannot get that back. So it's very important to pay attention to the due date. Many teachers will give you 0 if you don't get it in on time. I'm going to be nice and just take off 25%. Okay? But pay attention to the due date and the time it needs to be handed in. Okay? Now, up here is a tab that says View Your Work. This can be very useful if all of this gets confusing and you're not sure what you have to do or when you have to do it by. Click on View Your Work, and then you can see only the assignments. Now you can see that this student has not done very well because most of the assignments are missing. Okay? One has been done, but it's been done late. So this student is going to fail this course unless they do a lot better very soon. Okay? But that's okay because this student is not a real student. This student is here so that I can show you what a student account looks like. Okay? But I want you to really pay attention to the information that is here. Okay? You have the name, the day that the assignment is set. You have information on the assignment. It tells you how many files are attached to the assignment. It tells you your due date or time. This was due January 15th at 5 p.m. This one is due today, was due today at 4 p.m. Okay? It gives you the overall topic, and it tells you whether it was missing or whether it's assigned. Okay? All important information, very important for you to pay attention to it. Okay? When you're on this page, you can open your homework by clicking on it, and you can see that there are several files for this student. Okay? And it's very important for them to be looked at. Okay, so you can view the details, maybe. Okay, you can come to this page. All right, you can see instructions here. Okay, and then you can click on the assignment and go to the assignment and do it, as I've shown you before. Now, also pay attention to the type of assignment here. This is a PDF. So a PDF file, you do it in DocHub, okay? And make sure that you use DocHub. And then you can add or create, as I showed you in the other video, okay? I'm going to make another video to talk to you about what to do with a Word document. Okay, that's it. Just pay attention to due dates and times, and you do not want to see missing on your homework. Okay?